Hello everyone. Today, let's just learn some strategy of the calculation of large number and also learn the word problem of the rabbits and the chickens. So let's see the first one. Review again. Review the number of good friends. We know in the multiplication, some numbers can be paired up. You can group them to make the calculation easier, right? So I just introduced 4 pairs for you. The first one, 2 times 5. The second one, 25 times 4. The third one, 125 times 8. The last one is 37 times 3. Okay, the last one is 111, right? Okay, so let's see the first one. 37 times 27. So when we see the 37, you want to find the number 3, right? Times them, you can get the answer is 111. So there is no number 3. How can you find it? Yeah, take it apart into 3 times 9. Okay, and then 37 times 9, you can pair it up. Yeah, group this part and calculate first. It's 111 times 9. So the answer will be 999. Very easy, right? You don't need to do the vertical anymore, right? And the next one, we can see 9, 98, 997, 1996, and 9995. Okay, so large. If you just do the vertical to do all of them, I think it's a little hard and a little time consuming, right? So how can you do that? Yeah, you can to find the easier number, like the 10, the 100, and 1000, and 10,000, right? So here, actually 9 is 1 less than 10, right? So you can write down 10 minus 1. And this one is 100 minus 2, so close to 100, and this one so close to 1000, right? So you can write it down, it's 1000 minus 3. So this one will be 2000 minus 4, right? And this one will be 20,000 minus 5. And then you can calculate 10,000 and hundreds, yeah, just like this kind of questions and together. And then you can calculate minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. You only need to minus 15, right? And the last part, 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 20 plus 2000 and plus 20,000. Calculate. You can find the answer. And this one, I just leave here because I want to, want you to calculate again, because this question, so many students give me a wrong answer. So I give you a chance. You calculate again and then correct your answer, send to me, okay? Okay, this one. This one, when I give you the long formula, you observe each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's successive numbers, right? 连续的数. And the difference is between the neighbors, between the two neighbors is 1, 1, 1. Wow, so actually this sequence, we have a name. It means the arithmetic sequence. 等差数列. When you want to calculate the sum of arithmetic sequence, you can use a very, very easy way. The first term plus the last term, and then group them. And then times the how many terms here, and then divide by 2, right? Somebody said, teacher, it's hard to remember. And then I want to teach you a new method. This is a sequence, right? And now you can write down another sequence, but should be same as this sequence. The first sequence, we start from 1 to 101. And the next sequence, I want you to write down from large to small. Yeah, like 101 plus 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus until plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Actually, the sum of two sequences are same, right? 两个等差数列，它的和是一样的。Okay, and this time you can also use the method of group. Yeah, group this part. The sum is 1, 0, 2. This pair, 1, 0, 2. This pair, also 1, 0, 2. Okay, so we can see this pair, 1, 0, 2. This pair, 1, 0, 2. Okay, so it means each group, the sum of them is 1, 0, 2. So how many groups here? How many groups here? Yeah, we have from 1 to 101. So it's 101 groups here. And then we just times them. But remember, this is the sum of two sequences, right? You only need to calculate one of them. So you need to divide it by 2. Yes, divide it by 2. So this one is 102 times 101 divided by 2. You can calculate this part first. Actually, it's 102 divided by 2 and then times 101. Then this part actually is 51, right? 51 times 101. We call this one is the chair number, 椅子数. So you just put 51 into the chair. It's 51, 51. Yeah, the answer is 51, 51. Very easy, right? Okay. So next one, the word problem of rabbits and chickens. Inside a cage, there are some chickens and rabbits. The sum of rabbits is 3 times of the chickens. And there are 140 legs in total. Thus, there are how many chickens and and how many rabbits? So somebody just use the equation to solve this problem. I want to say, yeah, you're great. You just apply the equation into the word problem. Then I give you sum up and I plus for you. But this question, you can also use the group method you learned in the last video to solve this problem. Very easy. We know the last question is the number of rabbits and the chickens are same, right? But this question is 3 times. So it means as long as you have one chicken, the number of rabbits is 3 times of chicken. So one chicken will corresponding to 3 rabbits. Right? As long as you have one chicken, you need to just draw 3 rabbits. So this is the group. Yeah, how many legs in one group? The chicken has 2 legs, and one rabbit is 4. 3 rabbits. Actually this is 12, right? So one group we have 14 legs. Okay, this legs is for one group. And we have 140 legs. So how many groups here? How many groups here? Just to use 140 divided by 14, then the answer is 10. Oh, this is 10 groups here. Okay, please don't fill this one. Somebody said, 10 times 2, this is 20. And 10 times 4, this is 40. Okay, I'm desperate. Actually, here we know. Where is my eraser? Okay, here. The question is how many chickens in the blank, right? Not how many legs of chicken anymore. So please read the question carefully. 10 group. One group is 1 chicken. Then there are 10 chickens, right? And one group, we have 3 rabbits because the number of rabbits is 3 times of chicken. So 10 groups will be 30 rabbits here. If you write down the steps, then the chicken will be 1 times 10 is 10 chickens. And for the rabbits, it's 3 times 10 is 30 rabbits. Okay, and in the end, I strongly recommend you to double check your answer. Like 10 chicken, then 10 times 2, 20. 30 rabbits, 30 times 4, 120 legs. And you add them up, you can find, it's 140 legs. So, yeah, it means your answer is must correct. Understand? And I need you to double check your answer on your draft paper, not on your exam paper, okay? That's all. So I think the word problem of rabbits and the chickens is very easy, right? And the next week, our next practice will be on next week, Wednesday. And tonight, before 12 p.m., I will give you the diamond leaderboard, okay? So if you didn't finish your paper, then just quickly, and send it to me. I will just add the diamond for you, okay? That's all. See you next time. Bye-bye.